Hey, how you guys doing today? I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install the IT Security Tools application once you purchase it from CodeCanyon. If you want to learn more information about this, you can either go to CodeCanyon's website and search for security tools, or you can go to my website, ignitepros.com, click on custom development, and you can see the links for the demo, the documentation, and for more information to buy. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. Once you purchase that program from CodeCanyon, you're going to get a zip file. I went ahead and already extracted it. And make sure you're on the latest version, which is 1.0.3. And then you're going to have the option for the single company version or the SaaS version. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the SaaS version install, because that's the most popular one right now. So once we get those extracted, then you're going to want to, if you use XAMPP or IIS, I'm using IIS currently, but it's the same setup pretty much. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. If you go in the www root folder, we're just going to go ahead and create a new folder just to make it easier for us. I'm just going to call it Security Tools. We're going to just move all those files into there. Since I'm running on IIS, I need to make sure I change the permissions for the db_set PHP file. And just go ahead and set that to just everyone for right now. But you're going to want to remove this after you're done with the install. So once that's done, then we're pretty much good. Then we want to go to our phpMyAdmin. We need to create a user account and a database to connect this application to. So if we go ahead and go to user accounts, add new user account, and for this purpose I'm just going to do SaaS base, change this to localhost. We don't really care about the password, I usually just hit generate. I want to save this information. Make sure you check create database same as name and granted all permissions. This is basically giving the user, it's creating a user and a database with the same name, and it's giving that user account full permission to that database only. And that's what you want to do in this situation. Go, see the database is now created, the user account's created, all done there. So now we're going to want to go to localhost/security tools, and then right away we get redirected to install.php. Now if you don't, then just do install.php and do start install. And we're going to need that same information we just used a minute ago. Just copy and paste it into the appropriate field. Do install security tools. Give it about a minute and it installs right away. Basically what it just did there, it changed some information in the db_set.php file, and if it doesn't have the correct permissions, it would pop up and say failed to write to config file, and it would give you the information to write to that file. So then we go ahead and hit login right away, and we get redirected to that. You can hit login. The default creds are admin. From this page, you can see the web page content is what changes all the information on the home page. So if I went to change, information here, save content, and go back here and refresh, you can see it just added test to that front section. So that's how you change the content for all the different pages. And for the further information, same thing. You would just go to that particular tab. That's where you put in Twitter and link. Now, if you remove these, and if you didn't have Twitter or the Facebook, it would actually remove the icons down here. If you have any other questions or problems, please contact us at support@ignitepros.com or leave your comments below, and we'll check that. And if you have anything else, please let us know. Have a great day. Thank you so much.